Moments of precision. Moments of pressure. Moments where failure is not an option. In these moments, everything is on the line. And yet, true power is not always visible. A silent presence. Constant reliability. An invisible force behind it all. It doesn't seek attention. It doesn't need applause. It simply performs. Precisely, relentlessly. A promise of reliability kept always. Behind every breakthrough, every mission, every critical moment, there is a connection that must not fail. Engineered with precision, powered by people who care, driven by innovation, crafted without compromise. A vision built for the future. Mission proven for our customers. We believe the strongest connections are the quiet ones. The ones you never notice because they never let you down. LEMO exists for those moments. For environments where reliability is non-negotiable and trust is everything. True strength does not ask to be seen. It's felt in what never fails. Because LEMO is not the moment itself. It is what makes the moment possible. LEMO, the quiet force.